Hi, good morning. Retro Star is coming. Good talk, Benton Park. Today is October 11, Tuesday. As a bilingual YouTuber, I would like to inform you very important communication technique as a communication trainer. Yeah. Last week and this week, we are treating in the topics of stress management. Yeah. Yesterday I said about breathing technique. Yeah. Today I would like to tell you, the technique of meditation. Yeah. I have been practicing meditation more than 50 years, with a karate practice, Before starting karate exercise, we are doing meditation. That's a custom, to our clan, to our group. Okay, to say about history, a famous person who has remained named, all of them had habit of meditation. For example, Jesus Christ or Muslim father, Mohammed, or Buddha, was one philosopher, Platon, Aristotle and Socrates. Every such philosophers had a habit of meditation. Why meditation is effective for our body or our brain? Because by doing meditation, we can wipe out unnecessary idea or unnecessary information or unneeded information from our brain. That's a sweeping of brain. In a famous Japanese word, danshari. Unneeded or unnecessary information wiping out from our brain. Right? In order to wiping out unnecessary information and to make our brain empty, to say in Japanese, a Buddha word, munisuru, to make empty our brain. By that, empty, what can I say, warehouse will taking, maximum information from the heaven. By making a danshari from our brain, we will get a nice information from the heaven. Okay, finally, I would like to show you how to do the meditation. That's basically same as 5 clover leaves breathing. Yesterday I explained. Please take the same style. But I recommend, without taking the style of 5 clover leaf meditation, a normal breathing is recommendable. No problem. Thank you.